Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild on CEMU. First, download the CEMU emulator from its official site and extract the files to a new folder. Next, ensure you have the correct C++ redistributables installed on your system. This foundational step is crucial for CEMU to run smoothly and avoid any initial errors. Getting these basics right sets you up for a successful gaming experience. Once CEMU is ready, you'll need the game files for Breath of the Wild. It's important to obtain these legally. Make sure your game files are in a compatible format, such as WUX or Loadine, for CEMU to recognize them. After acquiring the files, simply place them into the designated games folder within your CEMU installation. This step allows CEMU to locate and load the game. With your game files in place, it's time to configure CEMU for optimal performance. Open the emulator and head to the Options menu. Here, you can adjust various settings, including your input controls. Make sure to set up your preferred controller or keyboard. Additionally, explore and apply graphic packs to significantly improve the game's visual fidelity and overall frame rate. These adjustments are key for a smooth experience. Finally, you're ready to launch and play. From the CEMU game list, simply select Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild to start your adventure. Once in the game, feel free to fine-tune any in-game settings to match your preferences. With everything configured, you can now fully immerse yourself in the expansive and beautiful world of Hyrule, enjoying the game on your computer. Have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.